then then Peppa can't wait any longer until tonight because the moon is taking time until it's arrived.
Oh.
And it's gonna be the night time when Tong Tong is coming to the bedroom and watch her own channel.
Oh.
So she attempted to warn Tong Tong do not to buy all of these two characters.
Okay.
So
Because
because if Tong Tong didn't care how dangerous all two of them is, and it look like tonight or both of them gonna try and spook Tong Tong or make a movie more horror.
Oh.
Or more scarier.
Okay.
So it's gonna scare Tong Tong and
Okay.
make him can't sleep properly or something.
Oh.
So she attempted to warn Tong Tong
Oh.
do not to buy all of these two characters.
Okay.
So she attempted to go on taxi
Oh.
and go after Tong Tong.
Oh, follow you.
Yes.
Okay.
And then when I'm arrived at the Amazon,
Okay.
I'll go first. I'm go inside, but Peppa is scared of the taxi and started spying on me.
Oh, spying on you. Tong Tong, what are you doing? What are you doing? Don't do that. Don't buy that two characters. Don't buy new friends. I'm your old friend. Come back, come back. So what do you do?
So, but I didn't hear what
she
Peppa,
said.
what Peppa and everyone saying. I'm just watching and listening to you to cartoon. All the way to
Amazon.
to Amazon.
Ah.
I can't hear them properly because they park too far away.
Okay. So you buy it anyway, right?
So
Yeah.
I can't even hear them properly because they park their own car too far away.
Okay, I see.
They park their own car too far away.